Welcome back. Just we have finished up to two, or just we finished topic one and two, and just I am going to start topic three. And the name of the topic is we are the music makers. Means we are the music makers means just we are the music composer, and it is an ode. It is a kind of poem, or ode means simply lyric poem or a poem expressing about the writer's thoughts, feelings about a particular person or subject, and usually written to that person or subject. No, and this poem has been written by author William Edgar Sarnesi, and he was born in 1844 and died in 1881, and he was a British poet. And in this poem there are 9 stanzas, but among them only 3 stanzas are given in this poem. And this poem is in the poet's collection of Music and Moonlight. Means it is the collection of name of his collection, Music and Moonlight, and in his collection we can get the poem. And just I'm going to start the poem. It is very nice and like hypothetical and types of poem, or just simply we can see here what a poet thinks, or just what can an artist do. Just we are going to read in this poem, and before just starting it, I'm just going to tell you about the objective of the topic. And the first objective is uh, read a poem dedicated to artists, poets, writers, and musicians. Artists, poet, writers, musicians. Just you are going to read about, and just studying the rhyming structure of the poem. Just we are going to read the rhyming structure of the poem. And third one, design a poster. After finishing the topic, just you know how to design a poster. Just I'm going to start it. The poem you are about to read is dedicated to artists, poets, writers, and musicians who may not have been very successful in their lives. Uh, Nonetheless, their visionary creations led to great social changes. It is the whole theme of the poem. Just in our society, there are many kinds of artists. Might be they are painter, they are singer, or music composer, poet, musician, writer, uh, a sculptor. There are many persons in our society who are artists, and they might be they might not have a successful life, but their vision or their creation uh, have definitely brought many changes in the society. And just you are going to read in this poem about those things, what kinds of changes a poet can bring, and what kinds of life uh, the artists spend, and what they do in their life. Just you are going to get the answers of my questions here, and much more than what I said. Just I'm going to start the first line. We are the music makers. We are the music makers means we are the artist. Artist means simply poet, might be musician, might be a sculptor, might be writer. We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams. And the poet is telling that the artists are the dreamers of dreams. Means the artist are the person who dream about different kinds of things. They try to do different things and they achieve their target in their dream. They not only think about the social condition, but also about the nature, the whole universe. So they are called the dreamers of dream. Wandering by lone sea breakers and sitting by desolate streams, and they keep on wandering without any work. They keep on thinking different kinds of things. They go and sit lonely at the side of the beach of the sea and keep on thinking different kinds of things. World loser and world forsakers, on whom the pale moon gleams. And they are the losers and they are the forsakers. They are the person, they are the people who give up something valuable. They are the person who bring the changes in society. They present their feelings, they present their thought, they present their knowledge regarding many social problems, many things, and these things help us to go ahead in our life. They help us to run our life properly. They are very helpful in our life. So they are the losers. They are loser in their life. Simply it can be they are loser in their life, although they have the high level of thought, although they create the high level of um, artistic creation, although they can't get a successful or quality life. Nonetheless, they just make us learn many things. They make us learn how to survive our life. They are the persons who help us to be happy. They are the persons who help us how to be in each and every conditions. How just we have to handle the difficulty. How just we have to react. We can learn from their written materials. Yet we are the movers and shakers of the world forever, it seems. Yet we are the mover and shakers. Mover and shakers means simply the person who uh, has the person who has a lot of power, and we are the person means they are the persons who have the capability. They have the merit. They have the merit to influence the whole world of the world forever, it seems. Forever. It means that their literary creation not going to disappear from the world, and that creations or these creations keep on helping us, not only us but our coming generations too, that how do we survive our life, how do we have to handle our problems, what do we have to get our target, to get our goal? These are the persons, although they are not happy, although they have different kinds of problems in their life, but they are successful to make the whole world learn different kinds of things. Just I have finished the first stanza, and in first stanza, uh, the poet wants to present about the artists, how they spend their life, although they keep on, uh, they spend their time lonely. They go and sit on the bank of the sea or river. There's without any facilities, although they are not incomfortable by sitting there, but they keep on sitting there, keep on thinking different kinds of things, different kinds of ideas. They bring different kinds of thought to tackle the problem in the life or in the world. Although they don't get a quality life, but they provide us a quality thought. They provide us a high level of thought. That is in the first stanza. And just I'm going to start the second stanza. With wonderful, deathless deities, we build up the world's great cities. And just in these two lines, just we can see the level of thought, how a poet or how an artist think, how they think. Just you are going to learn here. With wonderful deathless deities. Deathless means immortal, and deities means short simple song. With immortal simple songs or short songs, we build up the world's great cities. It is the capability of an artist that with thought they can create a city. And out of a fabulous story, we fashion an empire's glory. And out of the fabulous story, we fashion an empire glory. And just with a fabulous story or fantastic story, yeah, with the help of a nice story, they get the glory of the empire. They get the kingdom. It is the quality of an artist. They think simply beyond our imagination. It is the capacity of an artist. So in four lines, just the poet talks about with the help of simple songs, the artist have the quality to create a great city, and with the help of nice story, fabulous story, just he can simply get a kingdom. That much in next video, and just the left stanzas we complete in next video. Be safe. See you in next video.